Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to use Google Drive. Google Drive is a file storage and synchronization service developed by Google. Launched on April 24, 2012, Google Drive allows users to store files in the cloud, synchronize files across devices, and share files. Google Backup and Sync stores all your data on your local computer. However, Google Drive File Stream stores your files on the cloud instead of your computer. Simply put, Backup and Sync is a synced folder and Drive File Stream is like an additional hard disk that lives in the cloud. In any case, you know what Google Drive Backup is, and that backup files on Google Drive should be backed up as well. Just saving data to local devices or other cloud storage may preserve your personal or your company's files if they get deleted, but not if your files were corrupted by ransomware or viruses. Important: if you delete a backup, you can't get it back. Go to drive.google.com. On the top right, click Backups. Backup and Sync is an app for Mac and PC that backs up files and photos safely in Google Drive and Google Photos, so they're no longer trapped on your computer and other devices. Cons of Google Drive are, for example, like potential security risks. One of the major cons of Google Drive is the potential security risks. Internet connection is inevitable. Another major disadvantage of Google Drive is you must be connected to the internet to see the real-time updates made. There is also file size limits and unpredictable third-party apps. Google Photos lets you store, share, view, and edit photos and videos, and includes an AI-powered assistant to help manage your media. It works for both Android and iOS devices, and provides an automatic backup for your media. Now let's see how you can back up your video into Google Drive and even share your video to your friends. Firstly, look through your phone to find the video you want to back up into Google Drive. Next, locate where you installed the application Google Drive. If you don't have it, you can obtain it in Google Play Store. Once you've opened it, return to your video and long press it for about 2 seconds. You should be able to see where it's written share and you are going to press on it. Next, select where you will be seeing its written drive. Make sure you have a good internet connection for this to work. Now wait until your file has been fully uploaded. After it has been uploaded, then press on the 3 dots you will be seeing on to the right of your file and then press where it's written details and activity. Now you are going to press where it's written who has access, because this is where you gonna change it if you want to share your video to your friends. Change the access to everyone. Now return and press again on the three dots, then press on copy link. Now you should have the link of our video stored in your Google Drive and is ready to be shared to anyone you want. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.